Hello guys, welcome to the 8th session of Blazor tutorials for beginners. In this session, we will create a component with the C# code. Let's create a new folder for session 8. Let's create a new component with the name code component demo. By default, it will include heading 3 with component name and empty code block. In this block, we can write the C# code. It can be anything that can add in class such as declare a variable, declare property, define a method, etc. In this example, I will create the same page that we have created in the previous session. But instead of using 3 different components, this time we will use C# code to specify those values. Let's create some properties that will hold values. Page title, Blazor page, page image with the same URL. Let's add single paragraph in description. I have already copied this text. Now we need to write the HTML code for this component. So let's add heading 1. Applying styling as per previous example. It contains page title. Add image. The source will be page image. Set width and alternative text. For description, just add a p tag with justified text. Page description. Add page directive so we can access this page from session 8/code component demo. Let's run this. And open code component demo. Here we got proper title and image, while in the description we just have a single paragraph, wherein in the previous example we have 5 paragraphs. Now let's update this. Instead of single string in the description, now we need a list of string. I have already copied text used in the last example and I have converted it to the list. Now we have a list of string, so use for each loop here and print description. Let's run the project. Refresh the page. And here we got a description as per our expectations. Let us see what we have learned in this session. In component, we can add C# code, which can be variable, property or methods. To add C# code, we can use a code block. We can also use function block like razor page. But code block is suggested to use in Blazor. We can add multiple blocks too. It means properties in one code block and methods are in the different block. In this example, I have just created variables. We will create methods in further sessions. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubts, please feel free to contact me. Have a nice day.